Hey folks, your OS review. So you're watching our first impressions video of the Mobee Magic Hub. This is an accessory designed for the Apple iMac or the Apple monitors, and it's a very clever product. Essentially, it's a USB hub, but it attaches onto the back of the monitor, so it's a very discreet design, as if a USB ports for charging, also for syncing with the computer, but basically for power, it uses the same cord that is used to actually charge and power up the iMac or the Apple monitor. So basically the cable passes through here, and then you simply plug in the cable that you're using to power up your iMac onto the back of the hub, and that kind of completes the circuit and both provides power for your computer monitor in addition to the actual USB hub. So it's an all-in-one design. It sticks onto the back, so it's not very obtrusive, and there's also a dedicated port you can use for charging your iPad or your iPhone, so kind of interesting. Packaging-wise, it's pretty nicely presented. The product retails for roughly $30 on Amazon.com, so it's not too expensive either, which we're excited to see. And you can see you have a USB 3.0 connection, so very fast. It charges up to 4 products, 2.1 amps, so I can fully charge an iPad actually, and you can even charge your products even when the computer is powered off. So it's a nice solution from the manufacturer here. And there's some basic information on the back that tells you how to install everything, how to connect the power onto the back, how to install it, how to plug in the USB ports for charging, and how to set everything up. So it's again, a pretty nice accessory as far as the presentation is concerned. Taking a look really quickly at what is included inside of the packaging. Seems like we have the actual Magic Hub itself, or the Power Hub, and that's basically it. There's also a included data cable. We plug in this proprietary cable onto one side of the Magic Power Hub, and the other side basically goes onto a USB port on your existing iMac or Mac Apple computer monitor, and basically that allows you to actually use the product as a USB hub and then plug in things. And this cable allows you to basically sync products with your computer. If you don't want to use the syncing feature, you don't have to use this cable, and you can still use these ports for charging. But if you want to sync things with perhaps iTunes or plug in a USB drive or use it as a traditional USB hub, you have to use this cable that's included. The unit itself is a little bit hefty. It's crafted out of plastic and not metal, which is a little bit unfortunate, but with that being said, it feels very sturdy in the hand. There's a soft touch material on the back, so when you're attaching it to the monitor, it's not going to accidentally scratch it either. This basically attaches onto the back of your machine, and this allows you to adjust and to change how you attach it on. You simply remove this, put it onto the other side, and this goes onto the back of the monitor to attach the two pieces together and hold the entire unit into place. And again, we have the spacing between the USB ports as shown. Now, the spacing between the actual USB 3.0 ports is a little bit narrow for my taste. I think that this is a little bit too close together. So if you have a very large USB thumb drive, perhaps slightly thicker than normal, like the Patriot Snowman, then you'll find that's going to be difficult to fit in all 4 slots at the same time. And that's something that I think that they should work on for the next generation model of this product. Anyways, a first video impression and first look of this Mobee Magic Hub here at OS Reviews. Be sure to check back for a full written review, and thanks for watching.